Hello student, welcome to my channel BK Tutorial. Today we discuss Charpit's method in English version. Here problem is this: solve by Charpit's method z square equal to pqxy. Clear? This is problem. Solution is, since z square equal to pqxy, therefore you can write z square minus pqxy equal to 0. Clearly, first of all, we suppose that function of f equal to z square minus pqxy. Function of f equal to z square minus pqxy. It means f is a function of p, q, x, y, and z. First of all, we differentiate partially function of f with respect to x, y, z, p, and q. See here, del f by del x. If you differentiate function of f with respect to x partially del f by del x, this will be minus pqy. Similarly, del f by del y, differentiate f partially with respect to y, you will get minus pqx, and del f by del z equal to 2z. Similarly, del f by del p minus qxy, and del f by del q minus pxy. You have to remember this auxiliary equation. Charpit's auxiliary equation are this: dp by del f by del x plus p del f by del z equal to dq by del f by del y plus q del f by del z equal to dz by minus p del f by del p minus q del f by del y equal to del x by minus del f by del p equal to dy by minus del f by del p. This is Charpit's auxiliary equation. You have to put all result which we have find earlier. dp by value of del f by del x from here minus pqy up plus p del f by del z हो गया 2z. Similarly, dq minus pqx plus q into 2z. dz equal to this much, dx by this much, dy by this much. After solving, you will get dp equal to minus pqy plus 2pz, dq equal to minus 2px plus 2qz equal to dz by pqxy plus pqxy equal to dx by qxy equal to dy by pxy. Here main important things, how you combined. We take equation first and 4, also second and third as this way: x dp plus p dx divided by, if you multiply x yani pqxy plus 2pxz, as similarly this pqxy similarly equal to y dq plus q dy minus pqxy plus 2qyz plus pqxy. This pqxy will be cancelled. Here this also cancel. We have x dp plus p dx by 2pxz, y dq plus q dy by 2qyz. Here z will be cancelled, 2 will be cancelled. We have this result: x dp plus p dx by px equal to y dq plus q dy by qy. Here px in denominator and numerator is differentiation of this x dp plus p dx. Similarly, q dy is differentiation of denominator. Therefore, on integration, you must get log px equal to log qy plus log b square. We suppose constant c log b square. Therefore, log px equal to log, addition will be into multiplication, log will be cancelled, px equal to b square qy. Now, px equal to b square qy. From given problem, z square equal to pxy. Now divide z square by px equal to pqxy by b square qy. You will get p equal to this much, bz by x. After putting the value of p in given equation, z square equal to pqxy, we will get q equal to z by by. Now putting value of pq In this equation, dz equal to p dx plus q dy. Z will be common, that is dz by z equal to this much. After integration, log z b log x plus 1 by b log y. Therefore, this much. This is the required solution. Okay, thank you.